May pips be upon you. I caught wind that some people might think trading Forex is a joke. That trading on the NASDAQ and the US30 is a joke. Well, my fine feathered traders, let me tell you something. This is not a joke. Do you think that I would participate in trading on a joke? Look at the Nas100 trade that I put out yesterday. This thing hit that TP for a lovely 309.5 pips. Is that a joke to you? If you think this is a joke, then I need you to unsubscribe from this channel and be gone. All right, be gone. All right, let's go to the US30. Come on, man, work with me. There you go. All right. Hey, do you think this is a joke? This is the US30, man. This is the trade I put on yesterday. You think this is a joke? Huh? If you think this is a joke, then you need to unsubscribe from my channel and be gone. This went for 493.4 pips. How could that ever be a joke? This is no joke, my fine feathered traders. You better take this seriously. I just wanted to give my people an update and let them know RT Money ain't messing around at LionsDenFX. LionsDenFX is for serious traders. Let me tell you that. Guys, head on down to the LionsDenFX-Free Telegram group, right? You know, you'll see the link in the description of this video, okay? I put out this trade yesterday, you know, and I added it onto the free Telegram. I put it out with the US CAD trade. I put it out with the US30 and the NAS trade. Hold on. Let me get to it. There you go. Yeah, this was US. That's the US CAD. That's the US30, and that's the NAS100 in progress. But the trades themselves, I posted those trades. I gave the YouTube videos for them. This was on at 12:46 yesterday, right? Boom, boom, boom. You saw that. I gave a like and a share. Hey, listen, don't forget to like and share, okay? And you can see I gave progress reports. I put the US CAD, USD CAD out, gave the NAS out, and things started to roll. I gave another progress report on US CAD. I said that, listen, you know, I got out of the trade and then said, look, it's looking better now. It was showing divergence and everything. And I got right back in. All right. Then the US30 was in great profits. The NAS100 was in great profits. I gave people a choice, hold it or not, you know, or get out, take profits. All right. You're welcome to do so. And then just today, and you see other people posting here, showing their trade setups. All right. I give another progress report, NAS100 longs, good hold. This is today. This is a good hold for people that stayed in it today. I put this trade out today in the free Telegram group, GU. All right, that's a pound USD. All right, I gave the setup and everything. Right, then people are giving me nice little compliments. RT's call was like mind blowing. Hey, I love hearing that. Flattery will get you everywhere. All right, but I gave 2 thumbs up on these calls. They both hit TP, and that's great. Slimmest, my main man, he's posting here, giving great setups and where they came into profit, how they hit. They formed up well, no minimal drawdown. Those are the trades you like. He posted another one that hit just, I mean, where he planned. It was very precise. I mean, these are members of the free Telegram group, and also members who decided to do both of the premium membership. All right, but this is just the free Telegram. I'm letting you know it's active. There's people here and they're doing their thing. I welcome the new member just today. He joined and they're giving me a thanks and everything. You know, you gotta do that. But in any case, folks, come on down to the free Telegram group. All right. If you're not already in there, it doesn't cost you anything. But hey, you can actually learn something and get money. Great, just earn and grab profits. You know what I mean? Learn and earn is what we're trying to do here at LionsDenFX. All right. I will see you in the next video. Just wanted to give you an update on that USD, US 30 Dow trade and the NAS 100, you know, the NASDAQ trade. See you in the next one.